Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Jumpstarting a Ford Kuga is a straightforward process when you know the correct steps. First, park a car with a good battery close to your Kuga. Make sure the vehicles do not touch. Turn off both engines and set the parking brakes. Open the hoods and locate the batteries. On the Ford Kuga, the battery is often partially covered. You will see a red cap for the positive terminal. Find a solid metal point on the engine frame for the ground. Take your jumper cables out now. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead Kuga battery. Attach the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Next, connect the black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Attach the final black clamp to the metal grounding point on your Kuga. Do not connect it to the negative battery post. Start the engine of the booster car. Let it run for several minutes to transfer power. Now, try to start your Ford Kuga. If it starts, keep it running. You must remove the cables in the exact reverse order. Start by removing the black clamp from the Kuga. Then remove the black clamp from the booster car. Follow this by removing the red clamp from the booster car. Finally, take the red clamp off your Kuga. Drive your Kuga for at least 20 minutes to let the alternator charge the battery fully. This ensures the car will start again the next time you need to drive. It is a good idea to have your battery tested by a professional soon after this.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.